Million-dollar actions, creativity, work, or money game. A child was asked what he wants to be when he will be a grown-up. He said, "I want to be a millionaire." Do you know any millionaires, what they do? I never meet one, but I know they have very much money and can buy all the toys they want. 30 years have passed since that moment, and the wish of becoming a millionaire one day is still alive, still motivates me, and I meet and talk with one millionaire, my employer who owns the factory I work in. The vision of that moment when I will quit my job will be the day when I will talk with him and inform him that I became a millionaire, full, half or a quarter millionaire, but the cash money, the word millionaire and the wisdom will be in that conversation, and he will congratulate me because he know I was learning on how become rich and make a life, outside of the 12 hours daily hard work. Even if it will be a loss for his company, if I don't work there anymore. Welcome to the Ugly Truth Man Talks. The place where you hear words you don't want to hear, these words are called truth of life. Unless you go fishing and catch 20 kilograms, or 705 ounces of gold, a fish made of gold, worth 1 million, or you walk alone on a street and find a wallet with a QR code with 50 bitcoins inside, cryptocurrency worth $1 million, you will not become a millionaire overnight. The actions, things, and thoughts must worth $1 million money in cash or assets, after the math exercises give us the result. I have friends who are accountants, work for millionaires, with millions of dollars, and they are getting poorer day by day. They have actions that worth a few $1,000s. The actions we do in our daily 24-hour time, will have a result in our pockets. 3 options we have in life to make money if we want more money. If we don't want them, we can stay poor, I may say also in laziness and misery. Number 1 is to make money from creativity, a talent, sport, a special skill that we have, our voice. Imagination as arts, looks and personal image, some people are born with these facts. Making money from creativity has 2 ugly facts: you need to be good, very good, and with talent, 90% is work, the rest is creativity. The second ugly truth is you need money, you need a song, you pay a composer, and maybe you will not have success since the first try. In sports there are training costs. The second option is work, make $1 million through work. The things you can work, can do, your skills built in years of learning and practicing are now making money, return of investments. Making money through work has a few ugly truths like, you must be a very smart man or woman in a place, city, or country where smart people are paid well. Other ugly truth is that you cannot work 20 hours a day, you are paid for a service or per hour. Time is limited. The third option of making millions and unlimited money, is the numbers, math, number, and numbers, playing the money game. You don't have to have school education. You don't need money, you can be young or old, you don't need to work every day, or 20 hours per day. You have to find your numbers, the niche, the way you can multiply money, and faster. You have to do your part of learning, you need to know taxes, laws, friends and relationships, risks and identify opportunities. The school of life, experiences with money, wins and mistakes. A man built a production factory with 20 employees, that makes millions of dollars. He was asked why he has white hair at the age of 35. He said that 20 years he learned how to make this $1 million company with only 20 employees. The white hair is the brain struggle and prize until he reached the $1 million day. Nobody cares about you, everyone is on his own, working for himself and the dear people around them. Money are transferred as form of investment between rich people, and money lending is between poor, and sometimes, someone will not pay the borrowed money because of poverty, and the relationship will end due lack of money. Nobody is giving free money without knowing you, your story or having a real need. The hand who doesn't ask, doesn't get mercy. Having $1 million is a fake dream. You can have assets in $1 million market value, meaning an item of property owned by a person or company, regarded as having value and available to meet debts, commitments, or legacies. You have a big responsibility because the dog of economic crisis is running in circle around this fixed number. Today the value of your wealth is over 1 million, you spend some, and tomorrow you will have $800,000 because the dollar is depreciating. The last ugly fact of having $1 million is that it can hurt you. You are changing your mind, values, friends, vision of future, temptations of spending more are at every step you make. Maybe you feel a need to help poor people and tend to give more that is necessary. An Asian woman won the lottery and donated all the money she won and she became poorer than before the winning. You change interests, hobbies and things you buy, you change your lifestyle, your time spending habits, eating, talking, and judging people around you, asking yourself, what they are lazy and ask for free money. If I achieve the $1 million dream, it is true, anyone can achieve it. My roadmap was in 20 years of daily work. Are you willing to pay the price of time, the cost of possibility of losing money, the fear of never making it? Or you are a happy swimmer in the lake of mediocrity, same white collar sheep as all the people, nothing special. Aren't you bored of this cheap wasting life daily activities? Start a project today, make a change in your life, your first change for the $1 million things you can do in this life, only here on Earth.